today's video, we have listed some most advanced fighter jets in the world. Chengdu J-20, China. This Chengdu J-20 is a Chinese-made fighter jet which is claimed to be one of the best fighter jets in the world. Even the Chinese military claims that their aircraft is more sophisticated than US-made warplanes. This jet fighter was flown for the first time in 2011, and after 6 years of research and renovation, this Chinese-made aircraft was introduced in 2017. According to nationalinterest.org, this stealth aircraft can carry 6 long-range missiles or bombs. It also has a very low range or sword against the ground. Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe. This jet fighter is easy to control and it can maneuver against its enemy easily. This jet fighter is widely used by European countries such as Italy, Sweden, France, Austria, England, and many more. Some other countries such as countries in Middle East also use this fighter jet as the front guard jet fighter in protecting their airspace. This jet fighter is also equipped with a myriad of weapons and digital communications equipment. Mitsubishi X-2 Shinshin, Japan. This jet fighter from Japan is predicted to replace the American-made F-22 jet fighter that Japan has used for several years. In fact, this X-2 Shinshin was initially not designed as a jet fighter, but only a Japanese experimental military product. It turns out that the X-2 inaugural flight was successful and will be ready for use by the Japanese air military in the future. Sukhoi Su-57, Russia. Russia has been widely known as the country with the most advanced armed force in the world. Their air force is also equipped with one of the best and most advanced jet fighter in the world, the Sukhoi Su-57. According to the militaryfactory.com page, Russia's jet fighters are among the most feared jet fighters in Europe.